Let's get the turtle to draw a square. What do we have to do? What does the turtle know how to do? Well, the turtle knows how to go forward, back, left turn, and right turn. Why don't you stand up and walk in a square, following the commands forward, right, or left. Let's see, what do you have to do? One of the things about squares, as you're walking around, is that squares, all the sides are the same length, and all the angles have the same number of degrees. So, let's try to get the turtle to move a little bit. Let's say, I'm going to type down here in the command center, forward, how much? Well, let's say 12. Can't even see, just a little bit. But one of the problems is the pen isn't down, so I'm going to put the pen down, go back 12, and since the turtle is covering it, I can't see anything, so I'm going to make a bigger, with a bigger number. Forward, I like 50, so I'm going to say forward 50. Nice. And now I'm going to say forward 50 again. Oh, good. And now I could also tell it to go back. 50 plus 50. And that'll get me back to where the turtle started. So, let's see. Let's start on making a square. I'm going to say forward 50. And then have the turtle turn right. You know, if the turtle started turning and wanted to come back to facing where it started facing, it would go through 360 degrees. So I'm going to say right 360 divided by 4. Nice. And now I'm going to say forward 50 and then right 360 divided by 4. And now I can say forward 50, right 360 divided by 4. And again, forward 50, right 360 divided by 4. Nice. So we could turn that into a procedure. So I'm going to gather up what I have here, copy it, bring it to where the procedures get defined, and I'm going to put an end here, but now I have to have a beginning, so coming up here to where there is a forward, and say 2 square. And just because I like the way it looks, I'm going to put this on the same line. So they all look the same. I could put each instruction on a separate line, or I could shortcut it. I'll show you how to shortcut it in a minute. Now I'm going to get rid of all this, and this, and say, I'm going to clear the graphics screen, and then say square. Nice. Now what if I wanted to draw another one? I could say square again. Doesn't look any different. So we have to have the turtle be in a different position or have a different heading. So we could, for example, make the turtle go forward 50 and then say square. Forward 50 and then say square. Now, if I wanted to bring it back to where it started, I'd say back 50 plus 50. And I'm going to make another column. Well, let's first take this and copy it. I'm going to make another procedure called to stack. And there it is. End. Well, what is missing here is square. Okay, so now let's try that. Clear the graphics screen and I'm going to get rid of this and say stack.